Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 003 AutoCAD command arc option start center direction or radius. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu Draw, Command Arc, Option, Start and Direction. You have to enter start point, end point and angle of direction. The arc will be drawn from start point to end point in counterclockwise direction if you enter positive angle. If you enter angle 0, then AutoCAD draws line. If you enter angle 180 degrees, then AutoCAD draws line. If you enter angle from 0 to 180 degrees, then AutoCAD draws an arc. You can choose command arc from menu Draw and then select option Start and Direction. Left click in the drawing area to locate a point. And then you must specify an point, and then we must specify tangent of direction